Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'll take you through how to lock the control center and the notification center on your iPhones to prevent unauthorized access to your phones when your phone's screen is locked. So that is your control center and that is also your notification center. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the settings app right there. So tap on that. From there you want to scroll up or scroll down and tap on Face ID or passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. Over here you want to scroll up again until you see the allow access when locked. Under that you want to turn off the radio buttons beside the control center and then the notification center to lock your control center and your notification center. So to test this out, you need to position the phone away from your face if you have Face ID enabled on your phone, because once your face unlocks the phone, it will also unlock the control center and the notification center. So yes guys, you can see that the control center and the notification center are locked on this phone. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos. Bye now.